3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then I have 1, 2, this step. Then chassis is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then just 2, 3, 5, 6. So here is just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So one more time. Where I skip from one slow, I have slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow. And here continues the same counting. Slow, quick, quick, slow. But then without slow, just quick, quick, slow. And the same. Quick, quick, slow. Okay? Do you remember this chassis?